We're here at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott, here in Lafayette, Indiana. Check out what we have here. I actually think this is a 321A. This is definitely an older property. And here it is. Yeah, this is actually 321A. 338 would have the more modern brails. So yeah, the Schindler logo's upside down. No, not the one in the indicator, but the one underneath the indicator. Look at that. That kid was pretty good. There you go. Probably was. This plastic piece is about to start to fall off. The HT, definitely the 90s version. This is definitely 321A. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a pretty interesting elevator. Hi. Jeez. There's the unlock up there. That is definitely an older 321A. Look at that weird door frame. It's just from the night mode. It's definitely interesting. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.